In this video tutorial, we will look at how to change the settings in CES EduPack, such as the font size and colour, as well as how to change the currency and unit system displayed. Let's open the Level 1 database and press the Settings button in the main toolbar. The Settings window opens. In this window, we have the option to change the default settings of the software. Datasheet is the first tab we see. Here we can edit the font style, size, and colour for the headings, subheadings, and body font in the datasheets. We have other datasheet options at the top here. The Chart tab lets us change the formatting of the chart stage, including editing the minimum bubble size, line weight, and axis font. In the Units tab, we can choose which currency and unit system we want via the drop-down lists. However, if we have selected to use absolute units, Kelvin will be used for temperature. The Numbers tab gives us option of notation and how many significant figures we want to display. The next tab is Labels, where we can edit the labels on chart stages. Other tabs, including Selection, Online, and Privacy, are here. The Selection tab shows settings for allowing records to pass a selection. The Online tab shows connection settings for online help. And the Privacy tab shows settings regarding the collection of anonymous usage data to improve the software. If we need help in the Settings dialog, we can click on the link here. In the following video tutorials, we can see how to use different tools and databases available in CES EduPack.